Today we're going to take a look at the Chuwi Hi9 Android tablet. As you can see, it comes in a standard issue brown box, just the way Chuwi likes it. On the side there is a label, the Hi9 with Android. It is running a MediaTek CPU. Does have 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. It does have a 8.4-inch IPS display. Now we can go ahead and open this up to check out the contents. As soon as you open the box, there is the Chuwi Hi9. And on the left hand side, we do have the accessory tray, which should house the wall adapter, the charging cable. It looks like there is a third bag. On the website, it does say that there is a OTG cable, but I'm not quite sure. So the contents on the website indicate that there is an OTG cable, a charger, and a USB cable. But in this scenario, we're just looking at the wall adapter and the micro USB cable. It is a 5-volt 3-amp charger, and the tablet does have a 5,000 milliamp battery. Once again, it is a micro USB cable with a micro USB port on the tablet itself. Checking underneath the tablet, there is another compartment. This usually houses the warranty information, instructions, and other various pieces of paper. As you can see here in Chuwi fashion, this one has been certified, which should make you feel better about the product. There is the product inspection report, and then also the warranty card as stated before. And there is an instruction manual as well in various languages. While we wait for the tablet to boot up, we'll check out the rear, which has a 5-megapixel camera and also a single speaker grill on the bottom. On the right hand side, there is the power button and volume rocker. On the left hand side, there is nothing. On the bottom, there is nothing. And then on the top, we do have a micro SD slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, and then the micro USB port. On first boot, the tablet does take quite a while to actually start up. And once it does, it isn't very responsive. Hopefully, this isn't an indication of what's to come. But let's go ahead and get through this process. After fiddling around for a bit, it finally boots into the OS with its large 8.4-inch display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600. Despite it being a fresh boot, we can still see that the tablet is still a little slow to respond. We'll be testing this more over the coming week. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Chuwi Hi9. If you want to check out more videos, you're welcome to do so on the right-hand side. Rich Woods did some excellent coverage of CES from last week, and we'll hope you'll enjoy those as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.